Our next guest here at KnowledgeFest in Dallas is a specialist in automotive remote start and security, among other things. Joining us as tech support manager for Firstech and Compustar is Wade Bebee. Wade, welcome into tomorrow. How are you?
Thank you, Dave. I'm good.
Glad to have you. I am pronouncing your last name correctly, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, good.
Yes,
I mean, it looks like that, but I thought maybe I should have asked you before we went on the air.
That's perfect.
Tell me what's happening with you guys and a little bit about Firstech, first of all, and the company, and then let's get into what you're showing here at KnowledgeFest.
Sure. Firstech was started out as actually a detail shop in Anchorage, Alaska.
Oh, cool.
Then proceeded to get into car audio as a natural progression, and then picked up some remote starts, and then he decided that he could do it a little bit better. So we built our own product, and then 2003, they moved down to Seattle, which we're based out of now.
Oh, very cool. It's always great when you have some entrepreneurs that are doing any number of things and realize, wait, we can also do this because I know how to do it better.
Exactly.
And there's nothing wrong with that. There's the American spirit if there ever was one, right?
Absolutely. And, we try to continue that tradition today. Every time we sit down at the table, we say, okay, what can we do better than we did last year?
Gotcha. Now, those of you listening on the radio, not yet seeing the video, have no fear. Intotomorrow.com. You're going to see video of all of the guests here in Dallas and all of their cool products. But those watching the video now, we're going to show you a couple of wiring harnesses, it seems like, right? And
yes,
tell me the importance of these.
So in the past few years, vehicles are becoming a little more complicated. Wires in the vehicles are becoming
a little,
yeah, putting it mildly. The wires in the cars are becoming significantly smaller. So what we've tried to do is make the install a little bit simpler for our installers.
And you're doing that with apparently FDK1 and GMP1. These obviously mean certain things to installers, and that's the key.
Yes, sir.
But if you can do something better with installation, in this case wiring harnesses or whatever, as consumers, it's better for us because hopefully not only is the installer doing a better job, maybe more efficient, certainly cleaner in the long run if they're able to hide things better, but for the consumer, it's like, wow, it's not costing me as much either because they're being more efficient, right?
Absolutely. And the connectors that are being used, like many of the other T-harnesses out there, are OEM grade. So, you're getting a factory quality connector. You don't have to worry about any wires, bad connections coming loose down the road, things going bad.
And you mentioned, of course, not voiding any warranty with your car manufacturer, because understandably a lot of people say, well, I want to have this and this and this added aftermarket, but what if the car manufacturer says, oh, nope, your warranty's history. Right. I hope that doesn't happen, but it certainly shouldn't happen with these kinds of products. Right?
Absolutely, and that's always a concern for the consumer. Their car warranty is more important, but they want that starter. Yeah. So this gives them an opportunity to have peace of mind that, it's not going to avoid our warranty.
Cute little device here that says Firstech, and I'm seeing some connector type things. What is this?
This is our new X1. It's Drone X1. So Drone is our telematics or smartphone interface product.
So it doesn't fly?
No, it doesn't. Okay. Well, if you could try to make it fly, but it wouldn't get very far.
Let's see if I can get it into camera lens. Okay, no. But it's called Drone. That's kind of cool. Why that name?
I think it was just in 2010 we developed the drone product line, and it was just kind of we wanted to remotely control your vehicle, and a drone was kind of the first thing that came to mind. So we rolled with it, and it seemed to stick.
Oh, I like it. And so how does this interface then with our smartphone?
So this is similar to a smartphone, and we can talk to it over the air via the cloud, and we can send it commands, and then we'll repeat those commands to the remote start that's installed in the car and tell the remote start what to do, which by there controls the car.
Gotcha. That's pretty cool. So you're installing a remote start, and then with this interface, we have basically an app on the phone, right?
Yes, sir.
We can control it with.
And in addition to that, we can also use this as a GPS tracking device. So
nice.
If you have children that you want to know where they are, then you can tell.
And that's really the key. A lot of folks are realizing that, well, my car comes with a remote start now from the manufacturer. It took them only 100 years to get caught up. Right. But a lot of manufacturers are doing that. But then it seems very limited still. You can't do nearly as much as you can with companies like yours and many others in the industry that are saying, well, we could do so much better.
Right.
And other functions and open your hatch and do all these things remotely. And I guess it'll take another several years before car manufacturers say, oh, we should be doing that too. Yeah, great. Well, don't wait for your car manufacturer. But what's cool about it is that those cars that don't have remote start, it's really an easy thing to add now, right?
It is becoming much easier every year. Yeah, absolutely. And then to connect your car is even easier now than it was before. So.
True.
Yeah.
Gotta love technology. It's what we've been covering for 24 years on the air, and that's what makes it fun when we talk about these kind of things, and people go, I didn't know I could do that. Well, and when you stay tuned into tomorrow, we tell you about that.
That's the best part about it. You're right. That's the epiphany, like, wow, I can really do that now.
Gotta love it. More information, of course, you want to visit them at Compustar. I'm sorry, I'm butchering your website, but we'll get you there, I promise. Compustar.com. We'll link you there from intotomorrow.com as well. Wade, thank you for spending a couple of minutes with us here in Dallas at KnowledgeFest. Continued good luck and keep making cool things that help all of our car tech.
We're going to try. Innovation first. That's what we're all about.
I love it. That's very cool. Into Tomorrow continues from Dallas, Texas. I'm Dave Graveline right here on the Advanced Media Network.